How to lock any app with Face ID or passcode in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, open the Shortcuts app. So this is the Shortcuts app. Open this app and then go to Automation. Now here, tap on this Add button on the top right corner, and after that scroll down and then tap on App. Now from here, choose the app that you want to lock. So for example, if you want to lock the Photos app, then select Photos and then tap on Done. After selecting Photos, select App is opened. So check is opened option and deselect is closed option. So after selecting this, tap on Run immediately. And after selecting Run immediately, keep this button turned off, and after customizing these settings, tap on Next. Now from here, select the action. So to select action, just simply go to the search bar and search for lock screen. Here tap on New Blank Automation and then tap on Add Action. Now here, search for the lock screen. Now select lock screen and then leave these options as it is and tap on Done. Now whenever you will open the Photos app, your screen will be locked and it will ask you for the passcode or Face ID to unlock. So you can test it by opening the app. You can see whenever I open the app, it will ask me for the Face ID or passcode, and then the app will be opened. So that's how you can lock any app with Face ID or passcode on iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.